Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to quickly and easily mod Hytale. Right, let's begin by actually finding a mod you want to download. I recommend using CurseForge for this. Simply Google Hytale mods, it should be the first result at the top of the page. Then browse them all through this menu, or discover them through the elements here. Let's go with Speedboots, for example. Go to View. Then don't install it via the app. Simply click the drop-down menu and download the mod. As you can see, the archive was downloaded. Now, after downloading the file, go back to the launcher, or the game itself in that case, and go to Worlds. Select a world you want to modify. Right click it and then hit Open Folder. As you can see, here is the mods folder. Now, you could have simply dragged and dropped the file from one folder to another, or Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V to clone it. But you can also go to User Data and Mods to mod all worlds at once. So every world you will generate, every world you will play, except for, of course, servers, because mods are server-side, will contain the mod you downloaded. After that, well, I'll go back to the original folder, because I don't want two instances of the same mod being loaded at once, because they are in the two separate folders, of course, but they are already copied. And now I can save the world settings, and if I would open them once again, I will have the mod right here. I can toggle it on to enable it, then once again save the world settings. Now, if I put this world, now as you can see, I am already in my world, and if I open the Armorer's Workbench menu, I will have the option to craft the speed boots with heavy leather, white feathers, and the essence of life. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching our guide to modding, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.